Good morning, everyone. It is Monday 17th, basically 9 a.m. I'm already dressed. I'm ready to go to my mom's. My voice sounds kind of stuffy. I got sick during my Disneyland trip, and I'm just glad it happened when it was almost over. So let's do an outfit check-in. So I'm wearing the Abercrombie Finn shirt that I got in my haul, if you guys remember from my last vlog. And then the shorts, some Vans socks, and my Crocs. That kind of rhymed a little bit. I'm ready to leave too, because he always comes with me. I do feel like I have a lot of things to do today. I do feel like I want to go to the mall and get an outfit for my sister's pending ceremony and her graduation. So I have to do that, and I have to film. I have to do a bunch of other things too. I'll take you guys along with me. You guys, guess what came in the mail? I finally got my Pat McGrath order. I'm surprised because it said it was supposed to come in like 3 different packages. We'll see if that is correct. So.
2 hours later.
Pat McGrath Labs label right there. Oh, it all came in one. So apparently this was like a gift with purchase kind of a thing. So it came with a little makeup bag, which is cute. I could use this for something. It's nice and spacious inside. I got the quints, and then this was also a gift with purchase. It's the Lip Fetish Clear Balm, I want to say. I love Charlotte Tilbury's packaging. It's so cute. Oh yeah. This feels amazing on my lips. I might have to keep that in my purse. And then we have the mother of all mothers. I'm crossing my fingers this isn't broken. Ta-da! Let's see if it's broken. I hope not. Last time I ordered an eyeshadow palette like this, it was broken. So I had to return it and get a brand new one. Oh no, I'm so happy. I can't wait to do a video with this. I am super duper excited. Feels heavier than the last one, or I could be mistaken. All right guys, so now I need to go and do some shopping, and I'll be, first of all, look how pretty my eyeshadow looks. So I'll be having a video on this eyeshadow soon. So yeah. All right, so I'll be right back. All right guys, so I'm back from shopping and my voice is like going in and out, so I'm sorry. I will show you my outfits once I do get back home. I did pick out some couple of shoes to wear, so I'll show you that right now. So for outfits, I feel like these would be perfect, or these. For the graduation, I might wear these, who knows. So I'm going to take these 2 pairs just in case. And I do have to pack up my everyday makeup bag again, just because when I went to Disneyland, I had to unpack stuff and put new stuff in to take. So let's go ahead and do that. And also, I need to put my stuff away from when I did when I did go to Disneyland. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and put away my brushes. And then mascara is going to go in there. Brush. Okay. So I have all my makeup stuff here, and this is like my everyday bag. So what I'm going to do is take out the brushes I have in there. And then put in the things I do need. Which I have my blush. I need a highlighter, so I'm going to put that. Pressed powder. Eyeliners. And eyebrow pen. 8 sticks. I love this lipstick and lip liner, so I'm going to take that. The balm I literally just got from Pat McGrath, so I'm going to take this. Definitely need some eyelash glue. Now I'm debating if I should take an eyeshadow palette. I really want to use the Lover's Diamond Pop Shadow from Charlotte Tilbury again. I mean, it's kind of compact, so I'll just take that. And then I think I've been really loving my Tarte Maneater After Dark eyeshadow palette, so I'm going to pack that too. I feel like it does have all the necessary colors that I need. So I'll be packing that so I can do my makeup when it's time for me to get ready for my sister's graduation. I need my eyelash curler. That's about it. I think I am going to take my brushes just because I do need to wash them. So I think that is it for now. Stuff that I think that I need. Alright guys, I am back. Let me show you what I got at Windsor. Birdie wants to see too. So, I got this really cute little laser from there. This with this cute like little leather shorts. Since it's fall here in California, I want to wear something like fallish for my sister's graduation. With this cute shirt, long sleeve shirt. And then lastly, I am in love with this skirt. So I got this skirt, pretty long, but it has a slit right here. So it kind of comes up to my waist a bit. I am so excited. And then I came back home to my first HelloFresh box. So say hi, Birdie. So I have my first HelloFresh box and I am pretty excited. I only got one box because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not. So I only got one just to try it out. My husband and I are like trying to eat healthy-ish. So that's why I got this box. So I'm gonna use my handy dandy box cutter. What are you gonna, no. So let's see what our first meal ever gonna be is. Cool, so I get a free box. This is what we're making today. 1 pan Santa Fe pork tacos, which is pretty cool. Or does it come with 2 meals? Oh, and crispy buffalo spiced chicken. Oh my gosh, I'm so confused. Did I get 3 meals? I have no idea. Okay, so in here, it literally has everything. So it has a crispy buffalo spiced chicken. Pretty get out of there. Meatballs with Beluga sauce, Santa Fe pork tacos. Ooh. Don't forget about ingredients which may be hiding under the ice. Oh yeah. So these are the ingredients. Honey, get out of there. Sit. Yes. And I think that's about it. So I do want to make some of the stuff today. I also want to do like a little challenge and see if I can wake up at least at 7 every day and keep you guys like accountable for me. And in that way I can feel more motivated and be like, oh, okay, I should work out, blah, 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 or do this or do that, walk my dog before going to work, just because I feel like it's so hard for me to wake up so early in the morning. I'm not a morning person at all. I'm definitely not. And my hair's going crazy. And this is what vlogs are for, right? So yeah, I really wanted to do that and be more productive in the mornings. I literally have no energy in the mornings, and I feel like this would help a lot. So that's what I want to do, and have you guys join with me since I am vlogging now. And you know, you guys can just keep me accountable, or we can do this together, because I'm definitely not a morning person. If you are, I am so jealous of you because I can do it. I used to be back in high school when I would do cross country training. I would literally wake up at 6 in the morning just to go train. Yeah, but now I can't do that. I feel like I'd prefer to sleep. I definitely love my sleep. So, and I feel like it's not fair to this guy either, because I feel like I'm always working and I have no time for him. If I'm not working, I'm like recording or like filming for you guys. So I feel like I need to make some time for him too, even though like later in the day, that's when I like to take him on a walk. But I feel like it'd just be more helpful towards him to be a little bit more tired when I'm at work, so I'm not as worried about him and I can train him a little bit more. But we'll see. That's definitely a thing I have in mind. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. It is, what time is it? 3 o'clock basically, and I need to probably get some rest too, because I feel like crap. I'm sorry, excuse my language, but I'm not feeling all that great. So I'm gonna relax a little bit and then maybe do my first HelloFresh meal, and then call this vlog a day, because I think I'm just gonna be sleeping or just resting throughout the day. All right, guys. If anything, I'll show you how our meal came out. All right. See you in a bit. Good morning, you guys. It is, what day is it today? No, it's like the 20th. Today is October 20th at 8:56 a.m. I didn't go to work today because today is my sister's pinning ceremony. So I'm here trying to see where my family is at. I'm really excited for her. I know she's been waiting for this for such a long time. If you guys didn't know, she is graduating from nursing school, so that's why we are here. And I did take a video of my outfit, so I probably insert it right now for you guys to show you. But yeah, so after this, we might end up going to a restaurant to eat. I am pretty starving. I woke up kind of late this morning, so hopefully I don't get in a grumpy mood. Good morning. Day is Friday, October 21st, 9:30. And the last time I saw you guys was when I was getting ready to go see, or to go to my sister's pinning ceremony, which literally just happened yesterday, and I just stopped vlogging from there. We went to eat right after her pinning and came back home and I just relaxed. I feel like yesterday was just like a draining day, even though I didn't work. And my face is currently like a hot mess, but you know what? It's okay. It is okay. Today I do have a lot of things to do. I have to clean up my room. I have to clean our bathroom. And then I have to pack to go to my parents' house this weekend, because we usually go to my parents on the weekends. I definitely miss having a house, that's for sure. I miss my own privacy, but you know, hopefully, fingers crossed, by next year we'll have a home and we don't have to be like going back and forth and being stuck in a room. Even though like my in-laws are really cool and they're nice and all that, but there's nothing like just having your own space, that's for sure. So yeah, I have to clean up this room, clean my bathroom, and take this one on a walk today. I'm gonna take him on a walk, probably take him to the park and get more training in today. I had to get more food for him. And yeah, we have a lot of things to do. Do want to go to Target today. I might get some Starbucks because I am craving a Starbucks and I feel a little better. I was getting like a little nasally earlier yesterday and I was feeling like utter like CRAP, but now I feel better. And then I was supposed to get my hair done today, but that's not gonna happen. My friend slash hairstylist said she wasn't feeling well, so we just rescheduled, which it's okay. My hair is outgrown so much. Look at my roots. I definitely need it, but I can wait. I want her to get better before I go get my hair done, which I most likely will take you guys on. It's a Monday, so that'll probably be in a different vlog for you guys. Let's get started with our day because I slept in a little bit today and I need to do a lot of things today. Also, I forgot to tell you that I actually have a new vlogging camera. You can see it. I got the Sony ZV-1. I know that the ZV-1F came out, so it's not too late for me to return this one and get that one, but I don't know, I kind of really like this one, but we'll see. So I'm gonna start getting my room cleaned up and doing all the things before I start talking you guys' ear off. Can't be all a chatty vlog. So I'll be listening to this all day today while I clean. Okay, I just needed to PetSmart. I need to grab my dog's food, and after that, I am thinking I might get a Starbucks and maybe go to Target. There's no reason why I need to go to Target, but we'll see. I really want to, but I know I shouldn't. Maybe just Starbucks. Maybe just Starbucks. All right, so I'm gonna head into PetSmart right now. Okay, so I just got some Brody's food. I'm gonna set you guys right here. Hopefully you guys don't fall from there. But yeah, I got his food and I am ready to go to Starbucks. And I also forgot I needed to go to the bank. This is just a typical Friday for me. Well, I wish it was, just because I could get Starbucks almost every day. That would be amazing, but you know, I can't do that. So I think I might go to the Starbucks right across from here. Oops, you guys failed. Alright. Hope that's better. I don't know if I made you guys worse or better. So I forgot to sign off from this vlog. And yes, I know I look a little crazy right now. I did 2 different eye looks using the new Pat McGrath Mothership palette. This is the Mega Celestial Nirvana palette that she came out with. So this is what you're gonna be expecting. You'll probably see this eye look way before this vlog. With that being said, I just wanted to say thank you for watching this week's vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.